Welcome to one of the best resources online for learning React and Redux. My name is Stephen Greider, and I'm a web engineer with 12 years of programming experience. I authored this course to share the knowledge I have gained in that time with you. The number one goal of this course is to make sure that you're not wasting any more time copy-pasting code into your code editor. We're going to explore every bit of syntax step by step to make sure you understand exactly what we're building. I built this course to make sure that you never have to spend any time on confusing, out-of-date, or incomplete tutorials again. You'll learn how React and Redux works by building a number of apps with increasing complexity. We'll start with an in-depth walkthrough on basic React with an exciting application. After you're familiar with React, we'll delve into Redux, where I will demystify terms like reducers and store enhancers. Every part of Redux will be broken down to its base components, making sure you understand exactly what's going on. The entire course is hosted here with easy-to-follow videos and an entire Git repository with all the course's code. Sign up today and be the cutting-edge engineer who gets to teach others about the latest in web technology. Sign up today and build the Redux apps that you've always dreamed about.